Welcome to my channel. Why do some people earn a lot of money but still struggle financially, while others with normal income become wealthy? Why do smart people make bad money decisions? The answer is simple. Money is not about intelligence. Money is about behavior. This is The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel, a book that doesn't teach you how to make money, but teaches you how to think about money. And that changes everything. Most people believe more knowledge equal to better money decisions, but the truth is emotions control money. Fear, greed, ego, and envy decide outcomes. Money decisions are made by humans, not calculators. Money is about behavior, not math. You don't need to be a genius to do well with money. You need patience, discipline, self-control. A person with average intelligence and good habits will beat a genius with bad behavior because doing reasonable things consistently beats doing small things occasionally. Luck and risk control more than we think. Success is never 100% skill. Failure is never 100% mistake. Luck and risk are always involved. We see successful people and copy their actions, but we don't see the lucky timing, the risk that didn't harm them. This is dangerous. Don't blindly copy others. Focus on what you can control. Survival is more important than high returns. The first rule of money is survival. You don't need the best returns. You need to stay in the game. Many people lose everything by chasing fast money, high returns, shortcuts, a boring strategy that survives long term, beats an exciting strategy that can fail once. Compounding is the real superpower. Wealth is built by time plus consistency, not luck. Warren Buffett is rich, not just because he's smart, but because he invested for decades. Small gains over long time create massive results. Start early, stay patient, don't interrupt compounding. Getting rich versus staying rich. Getting rich requires risk, optimism, taking chances. Staying rich requires caution, humility, fear of losing. Most people focus on getting rich. Few focus on staying rich. Real wealth is protected wealth. Rich is not the same as wealthy. Being rich equal to visible money. Being wealthy equal to invisible money. Luxury cars, big houses and brands often mean spending money, not having money. True wealth is money you don't need to spend. Freedom of choice, time control. Wealth is what you don't see. Freedom is the highest form of wealth. Money's greatest value is control over time. Being able to say no to toxic work, yes to what matters. That is real success, more than status, more than luxury. Reasonable beats rational. People don't need perfect strategies. They need strategies they can stick to. A simple plan you follow for years is better than a perfect plan you quit. If a plan helps you sleep peacefully, it's a good plan. Everyone has a different money story. People behave differently with money because they grew up differently. Your money decisions are shaped by childhood, family, experiences. There is no one size fits all rule. Don't judge others. Don't compare blindly. Save money for things you can't predict. Life is unpredictable. Saving money gives peace, stability, flexibility. Savings are not for returns. Savings are for sleeping well at night. Money is emotional. Behavior matters more than intelligence. Compounding needs time. Survival beats high returns. And wealth equal to freedom, not luxury. This is the life lesson from the book. If this summary changed how you think about money, imagine what other books can do. Subscribe to Book in Minutes for big ideas in less time. because smart money starts with smart thinking. Thanks for watching. Bye. Take care.